Hi, so I am Joe and this is Sam, and we are coming live from the Savvy School where we teach women how to create their very own dream virtual assistant business. We would love to have some men over in our Savvy School because at the moment it is only women. But yeah, we every Friday we come on live here in the Facebook group. It's called a Live Friday where we get to answer all of your questions. So today we have a very cool question, Sam. What is it?
Yeah, we do. So this is from one of our super newbies. She's only just joined the Facebook group. And in her introduction post, which was really good to learn a bit more about her, she's explained that she's been in the business 5 years, super busy, but also super exhausted, burning the candle at both ends. So the question for us this week is, I'm thinking of growing a team. What should I be handing over, and how should I be telling my clients that I'm hiring and that they may actually have someone else doing the work?
So I
Which
think
is a
there's
great question.
two parts to this question, isn't there, Sam? And yeah, let us know what you've done and what you think maybe the first step is if she hasn't done it.
Yeah. So in my mind, the first step is, have you niched? Because niching is the best way for virtual assistants to earn more money in less time. Thus, burnout doesn't happen. So you don't have to worry about that at all. And even if you have niche, you can still then grow your team. But yeah, my first question to this lovely lady would be, have you niched?
And then specializing in something with that niche or niche, depending if you're in the US, that's how they say it. Yeah, it means that you can then put your price up, have some premium pricing, less clients, you're doing less work for more money can be a really great first step when you get to this point where you're super busy, and then figuring out what you need to do is the next step. The second part of the question is, when you are thinking about growing a team, it can be a little daunting trying to figure out how you are going to tell a client that you're going to step aside and someone else is going to take over. So I've got a bit of a system for how I do this. So there's sort of two options with bringing on a team. One is that you could bring on a team and you delegate the work to them. So you still are the main contact point for the client. You're the one who's client facing. So you could do that, letting the client know, hey, I am going to grow a team. I might delegate some tasks to make sure that you're getting the work done by the very best person who has those specialty skills, because we want to do a great job for you. So see how I've made it all about them and how good this is for them. That's how you can sort of sell that. And then you're using a task management system and delegating tasks out to your contractors or team members that you have hired. So that's an easy option, but it does mean that you're still client facing and doing all the sales and everything in your business. The second option is that you bring on a team and they actually become client facing. So they take over managing that client, they deal with them, and then they just come to you if they have questions or queries. So the way to sell that type of model to a client is that you bring on the contractor or the team member. You then let the client know, hey, I'm growing a team at the moment. I want to make sure that you're getting a really responsive, awesome service. So I'm going to have them work alongside me. And they might come to you directly and ask questions or liaise with you. And they're going to be there supporting and backing things up for me. So then as that client starts to get used to that person, they're liaising with them directly. Then it comes to a point where you can say, hey, I'm actually keen to formalize you working with whoever the person is, my team member, so that you can get the very best person looking after you, keep the responsiveness up and doing great quality work. Because I feel like I'm now slowing down the process as I get busier with other clients, and you might not say with other clients, but as I get busier. So I want to make sure that you still get the very best service from us. So I'm going to step back and I'm going to formalize that you now work directly with this person so that we can keep up that responsiveness. I'm still going to be in the background and I'll still check in with you. If you have any issues or anything comes up, please let me know and we can work through those. Or if anything, anything that I need to step in for, and I'll still be overseeing things and monitoring things and making sure things are working well for you.
So it's all about the spin.
This is a marketing job.
Yeah.
So you're making it all about them and what the benefit is to them by doing this. So then they don't feel like, oh, you just don't care about me anymore. It's like, no, I actually care more about you, or so much about you that I want to make sure that you're getting the best service and the best job and the best person onto it.
That's awesome. That's great advice.
So that's your couple of options. Make sure you have a really great contract with your contractors. Make sure you really keep building that relationship with your client. That could be a great way for you to not burn out.
Because we all hate that. And I think we've all been there as well. I think we all get to that point, especially when you're doing it on your own. And burnout is real and it's exhausting, and it's a surefire way for you to be leaving the industry because you just get sick of it. So we want to avoid that at all costs.
Yeah, absolutely. So if anyone is wanting any more information, the templates, the how to do, all of the stuff that we talk about in these videos, and have direct access to Sam and I as your coaches, please feel free to check out the Members Club. Jump in there. It's only $67 per month New Zealand, which is super affordable, especially if you're in the US. It makes it even almost half of that. For you guys. So we would love to help you directly grow your business and have this dream virtual assistant business without the burnout. So check it out.
Yeah, hope to see you over there. We'll see you next week, guys. It's us for the week. Gone.
Bye.
Bye.